the world's first cryptocurrency news center on Daily.
Okay. All right, well, let's go ahead and talk about something that could actually really help the industry from a reputable investment firm. Pantera Capital announced in a blog post yesterday that it's already raised $160 million of its $175 million target for its latest project, known as Venture Fund 3. Now, Pantera says the Venture Fund 3 has already injected $38 million into a portfolio of 11 cryptocurrencies related to companies, taking the lead position in to crypto-related companies, taking the lead position in 5 of those rounds of fundraising. Overall, the company projects making a total of 35 investments with an average deal size of $3.5 million and a target of 11% average equity stake. This is the kind of big thing that we want to be talking about with the markets, Jerry.
Jamie, I got to turn to you and say this is still great. I mean, investors are still seeing promise there. I mean, but we got to look at, say, something like where's the focus?
Okay, yeah, so the focus primarily is on infrastructure-related firms. They're looking at about putting 35% of the funds that they raise into that. They're also looking at exchanges, as we know. They put about 30% into exchanges, just slightly shy of that.
Well, there were big investments into bond exchange, and still there are some regulatory issues and hang-ups there.
That's right. So I'm sure they're frustrated, just like a lot of people are frustrated in watching the SEC developments there. And hopefully we can get through some compliance here on that futures product that Bakkt is trying to unload here, or issue, I should say. And also, you know, if they can get across some of these hurdles with that, then there's a lot of promise there. So I think it's well-placed funding, and you're right. There's a lot of promise to these kinds of investments.
Just a few regulation hang-ups.
We'll get across them. We'll get through it.
We always do.
All right.